Hi everyone, welcome to Vellsane or Vellsane Arch Development Space. This YouTube channel is part of Jamaican Oy'Nissh language development regarding nature. That is, the creation of new words to describe parts of nature and the experience of being part of my surroundings. Vellsane is a new Jamaican English word that originated from the Oy'Nissh word called Vellsane. Vellsane is defined as a woodland arch pattern that is made from tree branches that hang over a path which can be found at a public, private, or national park. The English word resulting from this definition is Vellsane or the term Vellsane Arch. The word was first used in Oy'Nissh on Wednesday, the 14th of December 2022 at around 9:16 a.m. This was as a result of visiting the Craigmillar Castle Park in Edinburgh one icy winter morning. I went for a walk in the park, and having passed the castle, I ventured upon the Horse Chestnut Avenue path, which was by then very icy. On approaching, I saw what looks like an arch pattern over the avenue. It was not my first time walking along the path, but because it was winter and the trees were bare, the branches were more visible and the arch more pronounced. It was then that I decided to use the word Vellsane to distinguish the type of arch formation from others. At the time, I could not find an English noun for the name of an arch formation of branches that hang over a path in a public or private park. So, at the same time I decided to use the Oy'Nissh definition Vellsane, I started using the word and term Vellsane and Vellsane Arch respectively. After all, I am currently developing the Jamaican Oy'Nissh language, and I thought it was best to use something original. Vellsane or Vellsane Arch is an Oy'Nissh art development. It is specific to the word Vellsane, which gives the area of work a special context and classification. Tandem to this are the design patterns and fashion that evolved from it. My hope is that in the future, people will be able to distinguish my type of art from others because of the language being used to create new post-COVID works of art.